Meanwhile, Sakima Mr. Smooth Mullings created history on Wednesday night as he became the first boxer to win 2 weight titles in the reign of a Contender series. The 35-year-old Jamaican scored a 6th-round technical knockout victory over Canadian Phil the Assassin Rose in their 10-round contest to be crowned junior middleweight champion.
Having been the best pound-for-pound boxer in the country, boxing fans put their trust in Sakima Mr. Smooth Mullings to bring back glory to Jamaica after DeMarcus Chop Chop Corley lifted last year's title with victory over Richard Frog Holmes in the final. And when world-rated referee Steve Smoger signaled the start of the fight, Mullings showed great speed, power and guile with combinations of body shots to Rose which caught the attention of the Canadian's corner. With Rose on the retreat, Mullings was more selective in landing effective punches as he took the opening round. Having seen Mullings' tactics, Rose quickly adjusted by fighting much closer, thereby giving the Jamaican very little room to land his trademark body shots. But Mullings was too smart for Rose's tactics and started throwing some powerhouse punches to the head which forced Rose onto the defensive. With Mullings winning the first 3 rounds, Rose's trainer Don Nelson told him to go for the knockout. Rose had Mullings pinned down against the ropes, landing some good effective shots to the head of the Jamaican, who counterpunched his way out of trouble, but the round belonged to Rose. Mullings, who has the most knockouts in the Contender series, moved in for the kill, and he had Rose in trouble twice, catching him with several body punches, but Rose held on bravely before the referee Steve Smoger separated them. However, with 40 seconds remaining in the round, Mullings was like a surgeon on the operating table, throwing punches from all angles. However, the bell came to Rose's rescue as he struggled to reach his corner. At the start of the 6th round, Mullings continued the onslaught with 2 straight right punches as Rose fell flush on the ropes, allowing Smoger to administer the mandatory 8 count. However, the end came at 1 minute and 8 seconds into the 6th round. Mullings, who won the welterweight belt in 2014, received $2 million and the junior middleweight belt.
It's a great feeling. When I entered the competition, I made a promise to Jamaica that Sakima Mullings will bring the Contender title back to Jamaica, and Sakima Mullings will be the first 2-time Contender champion. Prophecy fulfilled.
Mullings said his success resulted from his decision to stick with his fight plan.
Right, the game plan going in was to not exchange with him, but to box and move, to break him down from the body, use the stab jab to set up certain things, come around, break him down from the body, and then when he started to slow down, we knew that we would find our range and find our timing, and we'd be able to pick him in between his shots. We use a lot of angles because he's a bigger, stronger man, but he has a slower feet. So we use the angles to create space and to keep him moving. While we keep him moving, would slow him down and would create opportunities for ourselves.
A gracious Rose says Mullings' hard punches got the better of him on the night.
Tried to do is not throw so many wild shots, but in the heat of the moment, sometimes they come out, you know? So I was trying not to do that, but sometimes you get excited and they come. Exactly what you just said, they hurt. I wasn't able to recover from them, so they called the fight.
And the referee Smoger was pleased with the performance of Mullings.
I've been in with the best in the world. This kid can fight. He's smart, very, very good body work, and a lot of power.
Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.